Hi everyone, this is Ella from EXW. Our mold workshops is the heart of our company, handling mold manufacturing and maintenance, ensuring seamless operations. It's crucial to our daily activities. How is the production of molds carried out? Today, please follow our camera to uncover the secrets. Our milling workshop features high-precision machines from Taiwan, ensuring up to 20-micron accuracy. We also have 8 grinding machines with precision down to 2 microns. We have 7 EDM machines, which can achieve the effect of mirror surface after discharge processing. Our molds use S136 steel. Modular plug molds are all mirror polished. Precision molds rely on precise inspection equipment. We have equipment like a profile projector and height gauge to ensure the molds meet the required dimensions. Our laser engraving machine can provide customized products. Logo engraving can be done in 5 minutes. Once the mold components are finished, the fitters assemble the mold components in just about 30 minutes. We've developed various modular plugs based on wire characteristics, and now we have 194 sets of plug molds. We have 379 sets of molding molds, offering diverse choices for our customers. The Mold Workshop provides strong support for the production workshops. They are like heroes, always there wherever they are needed. When the call to action resounds, they stand ready at a moment's notice, unwavering in their vigilance and fully prepared for any challenges that may arise. Our mold team, with their wisdom, unwavering determination, and unflagging positivity, lights the way through the toughest challenges, making them our true heroes. We have a proficient team and advanced equipment for rapid mold production and creating new products. Ningbo EXW is dedicated to professionalism, innovation, and customer satisfaction. With confidence in our expertise, we eagerly look forward to collaborating with you. Goodbye.